Hello everyone, Dave Hallock here at Gerry Mazda in the pre-owned selection with this just traded in beautiful 2020 GMC Sierra Elevation package. It's the X31 off-roading edition. Let's have a better look at it. This black beauty is large and in charge. It's rolling on beautiful black finish alloy rims with Goodyear Wrangler all-season tires. It's got the elevation badging. It's a 5.3 liter V8, so you'll be able to tow everything and anything. Features LED daytime running lights. You got your front tow hooks. It has a front protection. You can see it kind of right there. It's like the 3M hood protection that goes across the edge, so it's not a scratch. It keeps you all good from stone chips. There's really not a mark anywhere on this truck. It was babied by its owner who just traded it in. They needed something a little bit different for the family. It's got wood grain, Bose audio, premium cloth upholstery. It's a 5-passenger. Owner's manual, and there's your block heater cord. Secondary storage up on top. This is an extended cab, which instead of the side fold doors has got smaller doors. So a little tighter in the back than the quad cabs. But you still have the fold-up parts for the seats. We've got rear vents with power outlet and USBs. No marks or scuffs anywhere. It's got the factory spray-in bed liner with a work light in the back corner over here. And I'll show you another little feature that it's got once we get around that side. It's got front and rear mud guards. They're really kind of tiny. Not quite the big farmer flaps. Side steps to be able to get up on the back of the bumper. Kind of a cooler trapezoidal exhaust finisher. You've got the hitch. You've got your setup already for the electric trailer brakes and whatnot already there. Backup camera. It has a slow release power lift gate, sort of, which drops it down. Here's the other neat feature. Great for a work truck. It's got a 110 power outlet, so you can run a saw or something like that in the back. Really quite handy. X31 off-road package. Looks great, smells great. Pass everything on the highway, no problem. You've got your easy access side view mirrors. Power driver's seat with lumbar. Electronic parking brake. Auto headlights. Trailer mode and your automatic four-wheel drive selectors. Here's your trailer hitch pieces, power tailgate drop. It's got a lot of nice features, dual zone climate control. One thing that I really like is that it still has the column shift. So we pop that down. There's your backup camera, and it gives you the different modes to be able to see. That's really kind of handy. And this beautiful truck, which is a 2020. Only has 33,247 kilometers on it. So it's minty and almost like brand new. Still carries the balance of the factory warranties on it. And it could be yours. This is the 5.3 liter V8 GMC Evolution X31 off-roading package. And you'll find it right here at Gerry Mazda in the Waverly Auto Mall. Come on down and check it out.